How do I log in and access SEC Network on the ESPN app?
Hello viewers. In today's video, we are going to walk through how to log in and access the SEC Network on the ESPN app. This guide will provide you with simple, step-by-step instructions to help you navigate the process easily. Let's dive in.
Do you have the ESPN app?
First off, make sure that you already have the ESPN app installed on your device. If not, you can download it from the App Store for iOS devices or the Google Play Store for Android devices. After installation, open the app.
Logging into your ESPN account.
After opening the app, you will see a profile icon or a menu icon. It might look like 3 horizontal lines. Tap on it. You will then see a Log In option. Enter your ESPN account credentials and log in. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one.
Do you have access to the SEC Network?
Keep in mind that to access the SEC Network, your cable or streaming service package must include it. This often involves having a subscription with an affiliated provider like DirecTV, Dish Network, AT&T Uverse, and others.
Navigating to the SEC Network.
After you've logged in, navigate back to the app's home screen. Look for the Watch tab, usually located at the bottom of the screen, and tap on it. Then, scroll through the available channels until you find the SEC Network. Select it, and you should be able to start streaming the content. That's it. Now, you know how to log in and access the SEC Network on the ESPN app. Thanks for watching this guide. I hope it has been useful for you. If you have any questions or run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out or leave a comment. Happy watching!